Sadil, ask them to join through channel. Channel, like I am not able to send the link now. Ask them to join through channel. Yes, yes, yes. Please ask all the students to join through channel, or otherwise you share the link to the students. You share the link through to the students. Mahaganadhipataye. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you very much. अरे नैना ask Akshaj to join through channel. He's making calls. He's making calls. Yes. Am I audible, children? Am I audible? Am I audible now? Yeah. Right. Now. Now first let us recall the general form of a linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of linear equation in two variable, where a, b, c are real numbers. A, b, c are real numbers, and a must not be equal to 0 and b must not be equal to 0. You cannot take 0 in the place of a and b, but c may be 0. C may be 0. Okay. Now, when we try to recall what we have learned in the chapter. Finding the solutions for the given equation in two variable. Okay. Finding the solution for the given equation in two variable. And second one is drawing the graph. Okay. Now, these are the two main points that we have seen in class 9. Okay. How to find out the solution? That is, suppose an equation is given to you, x plus 2y is equal to 6, for example, or 2x plus y is equal to 6, a linear equation in two variable. How to find out the solutions for this? First point, what we have to do? X plus y in terms of x. This is the step 1. X plus y in terms of x. So here y is equal to 6 minus 2x. We have represented y in terms of x. Now, after doing that, give different values for x. Give different values for x. Okay, na? If x is 1, y becomes 4. If x is negative 1, y becomes 8. If x is 0, y 6. If x is 2, y will be 2. So here 1 comma 4 is one solution, minus 1 comma 8 is another solution, 0 comma 6 is another solution, 2 comma 2 is another solution. So solution. Okay, children. Now, if we plot these points, here solutions are nothing but coordinates. Okay, na? Coordinates. If we plot them in the graph, in the Cartesian plane, we will get a straight line. Okay, na? So, a linear equation in two variable, after finding the solutions, how many solutions we can find? We have to find minimum 2, maximum your wish. Okay, children? If we plot these points in the graph and join them by using the scale, we will get a straight line like this. So, the geometrical representation of linear equation in two variable is a straight line. It is a straight line. Children, always try to express y in terms of x. Then only you can give different values for x, then you will get different values for y, then x comma y is a solution. Keep this one in the mind. Okay, na? So this is what we have learnt in class 9. Okay, na? Now, what we are going to do in class 10? In class 10, each and every problem contains two linear equations in two variables. Each and every problem contains two linear equations in two variables. That's why this chapter is named as pair of linear equation in two variable. Every situation means every problem. Every problem contains two linear equations in two variables. Okay na? So what we have to do? We have to find out the common solution for the given pair of equations using different methods. First I will write the general form of this is the general form of pair of linear equation in two variable. General form of pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay na? Now, if we represent this one, we will get a straight line, and if it is represented in the graph, we will get another straight line. That means when a pair of linear equation in two variable, if it is represented in the graph, we will get two straight lines. Okay na? So those two straight lines, we can observe they will be in three ways. They will be exist in three ways. One, intersecting lines. Second one, parallel lines. Third one, coincident lines. Intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines. So once again I am saying, when a pair of linear equation in two variable, if they are represented or if the graphs are drawn for this pair, we will get two straight lines in the graph. So those two straight lines can exist in the graph in only three ways. They are either intersecting or non-intersecting or coincident lines. Either intersecting or non-intersecting or coincident lines. Okay na? Now, if the lines are intersecting, they will meet at only one point. If the lines are intersecting, they will meet at only one point. If the lines are parallel, they will not meet. If the lines are coincident, means they will meet at infinite points. This is what you have to observe. If two lines are intersecting, they will intersect at only one point. If they are not intersecting, means they will not meet. That means no common solution for those two lines. No common solution. No common point for those lines. And the last one, if they are coincident lines, that means both the lines will fall one on the other. That means they will have infinite number of common solutions. So this is our hero. Okay na? The first condition is there na? It is our hero of the lesson. We can say that hero of the lesson, because when two lines are intersecting, they will intersect at only one point. Okay na? And we are going to find out that point. We are going to find out that point using different methods. Using different methods. How many methods we have? One is graphical method. Second one is substitution method. Third one is elimination method. These are the three methods that we can use to find out this common solution. Understand, children? To find out the common solution Px comma y, we can use three methods. We can use three methods. Any one of three methods. Your answer will be same. Your answer will be same for any method. Means, suppose Parthu he find out common solution with the graphical method. Vaishnavi he finds using substitution method. And Lakshmi Priya he find out the common solution using elimination method. All the three will get the same answer, not different answers. Did you understand? All the three will get same answer, not a different answer. That is what you have to understand. Whatever the method that you apply to find out the common solution, the answer that you are going to get is same. Okay, na? Is it clarified? Now, we are going to find out a common solution. We are going to find out the common solution for the given pair of equations using graphical method today. Using graphical method. Now, I will give you pair of equations. I will give you pair of equations, children. Four x minus 5y plus 16 is equal to 0. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, na? Now, we need to find out the common solution using graphical method. Using graphical method. Okay, na? Now, what we have to do first? We need to find out the solutions for both equations separately. We need to find out solution for this equation and even for this equation also. We need to find out the solution for both the equations separately. Okay, na? How many solutions for this and how many solutions for this? Minimum 2, maximum your wish. Minimum 2, maximum your wish. Okay, na? But it is good to find out either 3 or 4, your wish. 3, okay, let it be minimum 3, maximum your wish. Okay, na? Now, express this one as 4x plus 16 is equal to 5y. Then y is equal to 4x plus 16 by 5. 4x plus 16 by 5. Now, expressing y in terms of x, as I told you in the beginning. And here, 2x plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Now, draw the box like this. X, Y, X comma Y. Okay children? X, Y, X comma Y. Now different values for X. Yeah. Children, here you can observe a fraction over here. Now you have to give such values for X, so that whatever we will get in the numerator, it should be divisible by 5. It should be divisible by 5. Is that understood? It should be divisible by 5. So, if I give 1 in the place of X, it becomes 4 into 1, 4 plus 16, 20, 20 by 5, 4. So 1 comma 4 is one solution. Is that understood? Give 1, 4 into 1 plus 16 by 5. 4 plus 1, 4 into 1, 4 plus 20 by 5 will get 4. Okay now? Now, if you give x 0, you will get 16 by 5, but 16 is not divisible by 5. Then you cannot plot 16 by 5 in the graph. Is that understood? Okay, don't give such values. That's why I told you like that. Okay na? Now give 6. X 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 16. 24 plus 16 how much? 40. 40 by 5, 8. So 6 comma 8 is another solution. Understand? Now, please you tell me one more solution from your side, children. Anyone? From your side, anyone? Tell me one solution. Anyone? Negative 4? Negative 4, good. Negative 4. 4 into negative 4, negative 16 plus 16 by 5, 0. Negative 4 comma 0. One more. 11 eh? 11, good. 4 11s are 44 plus 16 by 5, that is 12. So 11 comma 12. You got 4 solutions. Now, even for this also. X, Y, X comma Y. Give different values for X. Different values. 0, 1, 2, negative 1. Because In the second equation, no fraction, na? If x is 0, y becomes 6, 0, 6. If x is 1, it becomes 4, 1 comma 4. X is 2, y becomes 2, 2 comma 2. X is negative 1, 8. Negative 1 comma 8. Negative 1 comma 8. Children, now plot these values in the graph. Plot these values in the graph and tell me that whether you are getting intersecting lines or not. Are you getting intersecting lines or not? Please tell me. Yes, you will get intersecting lines. You will get two intersecting lines like this. They will intersect at 1 comma 4. They will intersect at 1 comma 4. So 1 comma 4 is called the common solution. 1 comma 4 is called common solution. Even if you apply substitution method, you will get the same answer. You will get the same answer. Understood? Even that one also we can observe. Even that one also we can observe. See, from this equation, y is equal to 6 minus 2x. From the second equation, y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Now substitute this y value in the first equation. 4x minus 5 into 6 minus 2x is equal to negative 16. 4x minus 30 plus 10x is equal to negative 16. 4x plus 10x, 14x is equal to negative 16 plus 30 is equal to negative 6 plus 16 plus 30. Now 14x is equal to 14. Then x is equal to 1. Is that right? X is equal to 1. Now substitute x is equal to 1 over here. Y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 1. 6 minus 2. Y is equal to 4. So 1 comma 4 is the common solution. 1 comma 4 is the common solution. So even substitution method also we got the same answer. Substitution means first selecting the equation, then second selecting the variable that is to be substituted. Here I selected second equation. In second equation I selected variable y. So y is expressed in terms of 6 minus 2x. It is expressed in terms of x. Y is equal to 6 minus 2x. So this 6 minus 2x will be replaced in the first equation. This y value will be replaced in the first equation. మనకి క్రికెట్ లో గానీ వాలీబాల్ లో గానీ ఫుట్బాల్ లో గానీ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ప్లేయర్స్ ఉంటారు కదా. ఒకళ్ళకి ఇంజ్యూర్ అయితే వాళ్ళ ప్లేస్ లో ఇంకొక ప్లేయర్ ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తారు కదా. సేమ్ we are replacing y in first equation with 6 minus 2x. We are replacing y, variable y, with 6 minus 2x in the first equation. 4x minus 5 y, in the place of y we are writing 6 minus 2x. is equal to negative 16. Then simplification, x value we are getting 1. When we substitute x value here in this equation, we are getting y4. So 1 comma 4 is the common solution. Yeah, you can insert these values in the both equations. If you insert 1 and 4 in both the equations, they will satisfy. Okay, na? Okay, that's all for today. Today we have seen graphical method, substitution method. Some more problems we will try it tomorrow again. Okay, na? Children, learn about graphical method. Okay, na? And tomorrow we will see substitution method again and some problems on it. Happy Vinayaka Chauthi to everyone. చక్కగా వినాయక చవితి చేసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? పొద్దున్న లేచి చక్కగా తలస్నానం చేసి చక్కగా అలంకరణ చేసుకుని వినాయకుడికి చక్కగా నమస్కారం చేసి పూజ చేసుకుని ఉండ్రాళ్ళు తిని చక్కగా అప్పుడు ఈవినింగ్ క్లాస్ జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. మహాగణాధిపతయే ధన్యవాదాలు. సో అందరూ మెంబర్షిప్ తీసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు కొంతమంది తీసుకున్నారు. యు ఆస్క్ దెమ్ హౌ దే టుక్. గుడ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ, ధన్యవాదాలు.